9717B, Camelot Street. Here's the house. This is looking down toward Oregon Inlet Road. And do kind of a panoramic here. There is the other side of the street. And let's just walk up to the beach. I like it so far for 100,000 less. Guess I better walk fast or I'm gonna run out of space here. Quick walk. I'm not sure if it's high tide or low tide right now. Whoa, nice beach. This is part of the Renourished Beach. Very nice. We've put sand fencing all along here to build up the dunes. I guess the town must have done that. So there will be a dune line there. And there is your beach. Wow. Awesome. It almost doesn't matter what the house looks like now. All right. And then looking back at the street.